welcome back to another squishy update video. Today is a homemade squishy update. My creative juices have been flowing the past couple months, so I'm super excited to share with you guys all the little creations I've made. So without further ado, let's get squishing. I'm going to group these homemade squishies into like little categories, so I will start with the cake rolls first. First I have this fruit cake roll, and it's in the shape of my logo, my little squishymorumotto character. I made this homemade tag to go with the squishy, as well as this little acrylic charm. Next I have this plain roll cake, and it is also in the shape of my logo. Here's what the homemade tag looks like. I did not put a little charm with this one, so if you guys have any suggestions, just let me know down in the comments. And the last cake roll I have is this one. It's pretty much identical to this one, except it has a face on it. I haven't got around to making a tag or a charm for this one yet, so if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I love the squish on this one. Okay guys, the next section is going to be my bread themed squishies, and we'll start with this big turtle bread. This was obviously inspired by the Breado squishy. Here's what this one's tag looks like. I'm really happy with how the shading turned out on this one. Here's what the squish is like. Next I have this cat loaf. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So basically it's like a double roll or share bread. It's got this little cat face on the front, and here is the tag I made to go with it, and a matching charm. I wasn't sure if I should give it a tail or not. I opted not to. I think it would have been cute either way. Here it is out of the packaging. It's really, really soft. The next item I have is this squishymorumotto bread bun or bread roll. It's pretty simple. It's got some shading on the top, the little face, and a darker shading on the bottom. And here's what the tag looks like. This one has an awesome squish. Super good. And the next squishy is also squishymorumotto themed. It is a melon pan with the squishymorumotto ears and face. I think it turned out pretty cute. And here is the tag for this one. Oh, and this one has a matching charm as well. Okay, the next bread squishy is Rilakkuma themed. I actually got inspired to do this squishy from a Rilakkuma image I saw on Google. This is the image I saw on the internet. Pretty good resemblance, no? Really happy with this one. And I'm definitely going to put a Rilakkuma acrylic charm with this one. Next I have a bunch of mini toasts. First is this mini butter bread squishy. This is what its tag looks like. And it has a butter charm, which I think is so cute. There's not a whole lot to squish on these since they are so small and thin. But I still find them so satisfying. Next is this slice of toast with honey spread on it. And here's what its tag looks like. And for this squishy, I gave it 2 charms. One is a little kawaii honey jar with a little honey wand. Next is this blueberry toast. Of course, it has a tag to match. And this cute little charm, which is a jar of blueberry jam. So squishy. And lastly is this strawberry toast. And of course it has a strawberry jam charm. So here's all the miniature bread slices that I have so far. I'm definitely going to be making a bunch more with a bunch of different toppings, so you'll be seeing that in the next update. The next grouping I have is macaron squishies. First I have this little Shibu macaron. It's got a cute little face on the front with ears, little paw prints on the front and the back, as well as his little tail. And here is its tag. Super squishy. Next I have this chicken macaron. I think this one turned out so cute with his little wings and his little comb. I gave this one light yellow filling, and here's what its tag looks like. And it has a little egg charm. Here's how it squishes. And the last macaron themed squishy I have is this panda one. I gave this one light pink filling. I thought it was just so cute. And here's the tag. It has an amazing squish. Definitely one of my favorites. And the last group of squishies I have to show you guys are all animal themed, and they're also food themed. First I have this adorable little koala donut. I gave it a little leaf in the shape of a heart on its side. And here's what its tag looks like. It's super duper soft. Next I have this cow donut. Here's the back. And here is the tag. This one's also very soft. The next squishy I have is this ram biscuit, or like a cookie. Here's the back and also the tag. The next squishy is this parakeet biscuit. And here is its tag. Next I have this sheep biscuit. It's got a big swirl on top. Here's the tag. The next squishy is this kangaroo biscuit. There is like a mommy kangaroo with the little baby in the middle. And here's the tag. Next I have this adorable walrus biscuit. I gave it this cute little tag and a matching fish charm, and he is pretty squishy, which is awesome. I just can't stop booping his nose. And the next squishy I have is this little chicken biscuit. I absolutely love this one simply because of the cute little baby chicken that's in the middle. And here's the tag I came up with. Super slow rising. Oh, I love this one. And the next one, you guys, is this manatee biscuit. For those of you who have never heard of a manatee or seen one, they're basically these huge, adorable sea creatures. They're basically like a sea cow. I got to swim with them on my honeymoon, and they are the sweetest, most gentle creatures ever. So of course I had to make a squishy after them. So here's the adorable tag. And I gave it a flower charm because I made it look like he had flowers and algae growing on the back of him. Let's give it a squish. I absolutely love this one so much. And the last squishy I have to show you guys for this update is probably my favorite. It is a Sinsan Biscuit. Hey guys. So I realized after recording that this little guy's name is Jinbei-san, not Sinbei-san. I'm sorry, but does that not look like an S? That's an S. Okay, whatever. I really hope I'm saying that right. Basically, Sinbei-san is a Japanese character of a whale shark. He's totally adorable, and I needed to make a squishy of him. And I gave him this little stingray charm to match. Give him a squish. And on the back, I drew a little jellyfish and a little, what do you call those? Squid. Gave him a squid. Well guys, that's it for this homemade squishy update video. I sincerely hope you guys enjoyed watching. I had so much fun creating all of these little squishies and was so excited to share it with you all. Be sure to give me a like and leave a comment. Let me know which one of these squishies was your favorite. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button in order to see more of my squishy updates in the future. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay squishy, y'all.